Hello guys, there is a good news for you from the UGC out of this bad news from the NTA. Now the good news has been come from the UGC with official circular and official gadget itself. Gadget is there and as well as the UGC given public note also public notice as well. That is regarding the PhDs as mandatory requirement for the appointment of assistant professor in Department of Universities extension of a date regarding 12th of October 2021, this notice is been given. Please remember the date also because that is most important. So as you aware, UGC minimum qualification for the teachers have been regulations changed from the 2018 year and they made it from the 1st of July 2021. This is what the proposed mandatory restriction imposed in the 2018 with effective date of July 2021. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic has decided to extend the date of applicability of a PhD as a mandatory qualification for the direct recruitment of the assistant professor from the 1st of July 2021 to 1st of July 2023. Recently, Union Cabinet Minister for the Education, Dr. Dharmendra Pradhan ji has announced that it is extended by 1 year. But in the UGC official gazette, they have clearly given it is extended by 2 more years. Till the 2023, we have a relaxation that PhD is not mandatory for recruitment of the assistant professor with a minimum qualification of the UGC NET or the state eligibility test, that is set examination qualification itself. You can appear for the assistant professor recruitments and get the assistant professor job. So this is applicable only for the state public and central universities, public universities and those. For the colleges, this is not going to be applicable. Only for the universities, this mandatory restriction. For the colleges, regularly, whatever the net and set will be, continue to be a minimum eligibility. So this is a news, guys, because we wanted to become an assistant professor in the public universities usually. So our scope, our desire got some more extended or increased, we can say. Hope for the assistant professor recruitment in your state universities or central universities and try it for till the 2023 1st of July, and we will hope for the best to get assistant professor recruitment in all the state governments as well. If we can hope for that one, if they release, we may be having a chance to get the assistant professor job as well. So this is just a relaxation who qualified. So as early as possible, either qualify in the NET or SET examination so that you will be eligible for upcoming recruitments. And do not forget this gazette have been released in the yesterday only, that is 11th of October 2021. So now the amendment regulation 2021 will be applicable instead of 2018. So now celebrate it and work for it. Get the assistant professor. All the best for the future recruitment of assistant. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye to all.